Apple has rolled out the first developer beta for the iOS 18.4 update, introducing a new feature called Priority Notifications. Powered by Apple Intelligence, this new feature aims to enhance notification management by prioritizing important alerts and notifications. Currently available in beta, the priority notifications will be available with the iOS 18.4 update, which is said to be released by early April. The priority notifications are displayed in a separate section on the iPhone's lock screen, allowing users to quickly access critical information. Additionally, Apple Intelligence will evaluate all notifications to decide which ones to display in this section. However, users can still swipe up to view all notifications. It should be noted that currently, notifications on iPhone are sorted chronologically, with the most recent alerts appearing at the top. However, with the new feature, important notifications will get preference, even if they were received earlier than other alerts. This feature is currently disabled by default. To enable it, users can navigate to the Settings app, select Notifications, and then open the Prioritize Notifications section. On the sidelines, Apple announced that Apple Intelligence will be integrated into the Apple Vision Pro headset as part of Vision OS 2.4.